Hello, this is davidji, and welcome to today's meditation. Let's get comfortable and take a long, slow, deep breath in. As you breathe in, feel yourself expand and soften and slow. And as you exhale, feel yourself let go, surrender. In, breathe in lightness. Out, let go of some weight, some heaviness. Keep breathing. Feel your body soften. Feel yourself melt. Truly letting go. Trusting. The key is to keep breathing, to keep flowing, to keep allowing the universe to flow into you, and to keep flowing yourself back into the universe. Today, we will use the mantra Aham Brahmasmi, which means I am the universe. Aham Brahmasmi. I am the universe. Feel free to use the Sanskrit or the English. And as you repeat Aham Brahmasmi, you'll drift away to thoughts, to sounds, to physical sensations, and ever so gently, effortlessly, when you notice, just drift back to the mantra Aham Brahmasmi. This Aham Brahmasmi meditation will merge you with the universe, will allow you to flow through your day with greater grace and greater ease. And all you have to do is repeat the mantra, and when you realize you're not, just drift back to the mantra. And so this meditation will be a gentle drifting back and forth, back and forth. So let's begin. Take a deep breath in and just let it go. And right now, plant one intention. Invite one deep dream desire into your heart. It could be anything about what's going on in your day-to-day, about your bigger picture, about a relationship, some health, curiosity, or challenge, something material, or something spiritual. Just invite one intention in. And now plant that like a seed in the fertile garden of your heart. Take a deep breath in and release it. We'll leave it up to the universe to answer. We'll leave it up to spirit to sort out the details. And let's begin our Aham Brahmasmi meditation. I'll watch the time. And when you hear my voice, just sit gently with your eyes closed. Aham Brahmasmi. I am the universe. Just sit gently and let the stillness and silence settle in. And now take a long, slow, deep breath in. And gently let that go. Let's do that again, one more time. Deep breath in. And gently let it go. And now, let's seal this meditation by chanting Om one time together. Take a deep breath in. And when it feels comfortable, you can slowly open your eyes and look around at all those who you've shared this collective consciousness with from around the world. And throughout the day, let's feel Aham Brahmasmi. I am the universe. When you find yourself constricted, or small, or less than, or stuck, or sad, or feeling that you just can't break through a limiting belief, remind yourself, Aham Brahmasmi. I am the universe. From the sweet spot of the universe, this is davidji, wishing you a sweet day of Aham Brahmasmi. Namaste. See you in the gap.